But I want you to take a look from the right, ladies and gentlemen, as we prepare to launch the Nighthawk. Powered by General Electric F-117 engines. Built by the largest advanced project development automobile. 17 This airplane, 5 or so F-117s that have been flying, they would not be as big as that 3-ton panel truck. Because it is the same landing gear that is used on the United States Air Force's F-15 Eagle. We'll see that performed today as well. From the right, ladies and gentlemen, at the controls at the F-117 Nighthawk today is Captain Jeremy Smokin' Weeder. Call sign Smokin' Jeremy Weeder. The Nighthawk can carry up to 5,500 pounds of bombs or rockets or missiles. In-turn, Nighthawk does its dedication pass to the 60th birthday of the United States Air Force. All right, ladies and gentlemen, on final approach, look at the landing gear. Remember what it looks like, because you'll see it again with the F-15 Eagle in just a little bit. You may also see it deploy a parachute after it lands. Let's take a look. Captain Jeremy Weeder, call sign Smokin'. Now he's doing aerodynamic braking, keeping the nose off the ground as long as possible. This will hopefully make it not necessary for him to deploy that drogue chute, because that means somebody's got to repack it. Yep, he's getting slowed down really well. The Black Jet, one of only 59 built.